What if one country had towering mountains, futuristic cities, endless forests, frozen Arctic lands, and some of the friendliest people on Earth? Welcome to Canada, the second largest country in the world. A land where nature feels untouched, where winter can freeze entire cities, and where cultures from around the world come together to create something unique. But Canada is more than snow and maple syrup. Behind its peaceful image lies a country full of extremes, hidden beauty, and surprising secrets. This is Canada. Canada is massive, so massive that it stretches across 6 time zones, from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific, and all the way to the Arctic Ocean in the north. It covers nearly 10 million square kilometers, and yet, most of it is wild. Huge forests, frozen tundras, rocky mountains, thousands of lakes. In fact, Canada has more lakes than every other country combined. Some areas are so remote that humans rarely step foot there. Nature dominates this country, and for many Canadians, that's exactly the way they like it. While much of Canada is wilderness, its cities are modern, powerful, and growing fast. Toronto is the country's biggest city, a skyline filled with glass towers, business centers, sports arenas, and cultures from every corner of the planet. More than half of Toronto's population was born outside Canada. The diversity gives the city energy unlike anywhere else. Meanwhile, Vancouver looks almost unreal. Mountains rise behind skyscrapers. Oceans surround the city. Nature and modern life exist side by side. Then there's Montreal, a city where Europe and North America collide. French CAFS, historic streets, old stone buildings. Walking through Montreal can feel more like Paris than North America. Canada's winters are legendary. In some regions, temperatures can drop below -40 degrees Celsius. Snowstorms can shut down entire neighborhoods. Cars freeze. Roads disappear beneath ice. Lakes turn solid. For many people around the world, that kind of cold sounds impossible, but Canadians adapt. Winter sports become part of life. Ice hockey, skiing, snowboarding. Children grow up learning how to survive freezing weather almost like a life skill. And somehow, life continues. Canada's greatest treasure may be its nature. Places like Niagara Falls attract millions every year. Water crashes down with unbelievable force. Further west, the Rocky Mountains create landscapes that look almost fake. Turquoise lakes, snow-covered peaks, wildlife roaming freely. And in the far north, the sky itself becomes a show. The northern lights dance across the darkness in green and purple waves. Moments like these remind people just how small humans really are. Canada is known for being polite. But beneath that stereotype is a country shaped by immigration and diversity. People from Asia, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, all helped build modern Canada. Different languages, foods, traditions, and religions exist side by side, and nowhere is this more visible than in Canadian food. Poutine, maple syrup, fresh seafood, international street food from around the world. Canada's identity isn't built around one culture. It's built around many. But Canada is not perfect. Housing prices in major cities have exploded. Many young people struggle to afford homes. Winters can cause isolation and depression, and remote communities in the north often face difficult living conditions. Like every country, Canada has challenges hidden beneath the beauty. Still, millions dream of visiting Canada. Some come for opportunity, others come for safety, and many come simply to witness its beauty. Because Canada feels different. A country where giant cities meet untouched wilderness, where cultures from around the world become one nation, where nature still rules vast parts of the land. And maybe that's why Canada continues to fascinate the world. Not because it's loud, but because it doesn't need to be. A country filled with beauty, culture, and some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. From frozen winters to modern cities, Canada truly feels unlike anywhere else. And now, guess the next country documentary in the comments.